Hi guys, welcome back to my Dom Macrame channel. Today, I have a new and super cute macrame plant hanger tutorial to share with you. This hanger used some basic knots: square knot, lark's head knot, double half hitch, wrapped knot and reverse lark's knot. It can hold a variety of pots with a diameter of 10 to 20 centimeters. The length of the plant hanger is about 80 to 90 centimeters, including the tassel. If you like this video, please give me a like or share to help me have more motivation to make more new videos. Thank you for watching. Let's get started. Use 3 cords, each cord 3.6 meters long. Fold them in half and put on the hook. Next, you use one cord 5 meters long. Fold it into parts so that the one part is 1.2 meters longer than the other. Tie a lark's head knot. Then you push this knot up about 5 to 7 centimeters to when the clasp is done. The cords on both sides are always equal. Note the longer part of this cord is under the short part. Use the longer part and continue tying the lark's head knot until you have a piece about 10 to 12 centimeters. Tie 2 square knots to connect the two ends together. You now have a very sturdy clasp. The cord has used to tie the clasp will continue to be used to tie the strap, which helps the parts of the plant hanger to connect tightly. Next, you use 4 cords. Each cord is 3 meters long, and you will add them in turn to make straps. Firstly, you fold one cord in half and tie one square knot. Continue tying one more square knot. And then you continue adding the remaining cords like you did before. Next, you tie double half hitch knots from left to right. For the double half hitch knot, when you tie it from left to right, the cords are tied counterclockwise. At here, you tie one more square knot. After that you continue tying double half hitch. Use a 6 cm diameter ring. You will attach this ring into the plant hanger by lark's head knot. You should tie in the 4 corners first so that keep the ring is balanced, then tie all the rest. After that, you use one more ring with 9 centimeters diameter and attach it the same way you did with the ring above. Use 16 cords 20 centimeters long. Attach them into the ring by reverse lark's head knot. If you have single twist macrame cord, you should use it because it makes easy to brush them straight. After you've attached them, use a comb to straighten and trim to make them even and neater. Next, you use square knot to connect the cords to make the body of the plant hanger so it can hold the pots. After you have completed the 2 rows of square knots, you take one 80 centimeters long cord to tie the bottom. Tie wrapped knot.